So I got a question. Do you remember your dreams? I sometimes do and sometimes don't. But I had a weird one last night. I was up editing videos and watching Flula on YouTube because it's both music and entertainment. And I had a dream. A dream about riding out in the desert, exploring around, and just having a great time. But then somebody came up to me real quickly out of the blue, out of the bush. They came running to me, but it seemed like they were... Hold on, let me get that. It seemed like they wanted to go to war. I don't know what was going on. It was just weird. There was nothing going on. It was just riding the ATV out in the desert. I mean, I have dreams about riding, especially when I'm on a long ride, but about a war? So, anyhow, I was back on my adventure. Just, going around riding the desert, and just this guy comes out of the blue. I don't know why I'm hung up on that, but dreams are kind of funny that way. But that's not the weird part. That's not why I'm bringing this up. I'm bringing it up because I found a way to capture my dream. There was an alien with a big cape, kind of looked like a dinosaur, on a surfboard chasing me, and I didn't know what to do. So I thought I'd share my dream. I'm gonna go back to making my breakfast and coffee. Have a great day. One final thought. We're in the Matrix.